Hey, so if you're having trouble logging into Canva Docs, like your account won't load or you keep getting errors, yeah, that can be really annoying. But don't worry, this is usually easy to fix. I'll walk you through it step by step, so let's get started. First, double check your email and password. Yeah, it sounds basic, but even a small typo can stop you from logging in. If you're not sure about your password, just click Forgot Password and reset it. Canva will send you a reset link to your email. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak connection can prevent the login process from completing. Now, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Yeah, this often fixes login issues caused by outdated data. If it still doesn't work, open Canva in a different browser or device. Sometimes the issue is browser specific. Also, extensions like ad blockers or VPNs can interfere with login. Try disabling them temporarily and then try again. And sometimes Canva itself might be down. Check their server status or recent updates to see if there's an outage. If nothing works, your best option is to contact Canva support. They can help you recover your account or fix deeper issues. So yeah, that's pretty much it. One of these steps should fix your Canva Docs login problem. Once you're back in, everything should work normally. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.